This recording is just going to be for Chapter 8 in Chemistry, and it's just going to be number 17. So this will be a quick one. So question number 17 is just dealing with writing chemical formulas for different substances. So the first one is potassium sulfate. Okay, so we recognize right away the symbol for potassium is K, and then sulfate is one of our polyatomic ions, and it is SO4, and its charge is -2. So then we look at our periodic chart and we see that potassium is in group 1A, so that means that its charge would be +1. So this is an ionic compound, so we would switch the charges. So it's going to be K2, the 2 goes with the potassium, and the 1 is going to go with the SO4. And since it's 1, we don't need to write the number. So it's K2SO4. Okay, then the next one is strontium carbonate. Strontium carbonate. Okay, so again, looking at the periodic chart, we know the abbreviation for strontium is SR, and it is in group 2A, so its charge is going to be +2. And then if you look at the polyatomic ions, carbonate is a polyatomic ion, and it is CO3, and its charge is 2-. So we would switch the charges, but since they are the same, we don't include them, so it would be SrCO3. Okay, then 17C is ammonium phosphate. So looking at our first of all, you should recognize that neither one of those are elements, so you won't find them on the periodic chart, but you will find both of them on the chart of polyatomic ions. So ammonium is NH4, and its charge is +1, and phosphate is PO4, and its charge is 3-. So just like before, we're going to switch the charges. So the 3 is going to go with the NH4, and that goes with that whole polyatomic ion. So we put the polyatomic ion in parentheses, the 3 goes there, and then the 1 will go with the PO4. And since it's 1, we don't need to include it. So it's NH4, and there's 3 of those, and then PO4, ammonium phosphate. Okay, then lastly, 17D is for magnesium nitrate. And you've memorized the first 20 elements that includes magnesium. Magnesium is number 12 on the periodic chart. Its abbreviation is Mg. It is in column 2A, so its charge would be +2. Nitrate is a polyatomic ion, and it is NO3 -1. Okay, so we're going to switch the charges. So the 1 will go with the magnesium, and the 2 is going to go with the NO3, the nitrate, and there's 2 of that whole ion. So it would be written like that. So that is the chemical formula for magnesium nitrate. Okay, so that is it for chapter 8. Just make sure that you know how to name or how to write the chemical formulas for compounds that include polyatomic ions.